Hey, welcome back. You and I are at Vernon Motorsports in Vernon, BC, Canada, and today we're checking out the 2024 Arctic Cat Wildcat XX 1000. All I gotta say is, holy shit, Wildcat, where the hell you been hiding this thing? So this guy is a liquid-cooled 3-cylinder engine, 130 horsepower. God damn! So 998 cc. It's got an adaptive CVT transmission. It's 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive electric actuation, of course, with selectable front locking diff. Excellent. It is electronically fuel injected, as we would all expect. It's got your typical high, low, neutral, reverse, and park for transmission shifting. So we'll have electronic power steering. So for the front suspension, you're going to have a double A-arm suspension with 46 centimeters or 18 inches of wheel travel. The rear suspension is going to be a trailing arm type of thing with 46 centimeters or 18 inches of wheel travel as well. For shocks, they actually put some Fox 2.5 Podium QS3s with, of course, all sorts of different types of adjustments. And you're going to find the same shock configuration for the rear as we normally would. 4-wheel hydraulic disc brake with twin piston calipers on the front, single piston calipers on the rear. You got park in the transmission as your parking brake. So tires on this guy are going to be the CST's Behemoth, the 30 by 10 by 15s all around. And of course it's going to have the 15-inch aluminum rim on there too that looks pretty cool. The total capacity for this unit is going to be 331 kilograms or 730 pounds. We've got a bit of a bed back there that we're going to see in a minute, and 136 kilograms or 300 pounds weight capacity for that. So that ain't bad. We got a 470 watt stator and 65 amp alternator. Pretty cool. It's got pre-wired connections for up to 8 accessories, 4 switch and 4 keyed. You're going to have just under 38 liters of fuel capacity. The bed dimensions are going to be 86 by 81 by 22 centimeters, or that's 34 by 32 by 9 inches. Alright, let's take a closer look, shall we? This unit's probably been around a while and stuff. It's just the first time I've ever seen it in any of the dealers I work with here. What a pretty cool looking ride. Got some great suspension. Some fantastic tires. You're not going to need to upgrade those anytime soon. Still halogen headlights though. So yeah, you might want to change those or add more. Especially if it's pre-wired with switches and stuff like that. It'll be pretty easy, I would imagine, to put more in. Pretty sweet bucket seats. Fully automatic. Flat bottom steering wheel. Got a pretty skookum roll cage in there. So the dealership actually mounted the rear window, the roof, and the windshield on this one, so don't expect that to be the same at your end. Look at that for a door handle. That's pretty cool. Let's have a seat, shall we? Pretty deep in there, almost like a Jeep in a sense. Very cool. Whoa! You just sink right down in here. That's awesome. So you got headlight switch there, digital dash, got a big blank plate there, hey? Got some more switches here. Major glove box. Wow. Fully automatic. You got this little hatch cover in between the seats. That's pretty cool. Bit cumbersome to get it out because the seats are in the way. Got a fairly big bed back here, all things considered. Yeah, you can strap down your cooler and your chair and whatever else. Pretty cool bumper on the rear. Some pretty cool taillights too. Lots of room to work under there. Interesting drive shafts, or axle shafts. It would have been nice if this was a little bit more open for feet. If you're bigger in size, might be a little bit harder to get in and out. Okay, let's see what's under the bonnet. Oh, cool. There's your rad. Looks like power steering, of course your coolant. Hydraulics. Oh, that's another interesting one from Arctic Cat. Be interesting to see how well it performs and stuff like that. It seems like it's got some great suspension and articulation and stuff. Little plane on the inside for the dash and things, but still would be fun out in the trail or in the dunes or anything like that. Come and check it out at Vernon Motorsports in Vernon, BC, Canada. Come and talk to all the guys here. You'll be happy that you did. They're a fantastic crew here, amazing people to deal with. So appreciate you guys watching the video. Please make sure you hit like and subscribe. If we can get at least 10 likes per video, that would seriously help the channel to help it grow. And if you happen to know anybody with similar interests, pass my name along. Word of mouth is a powerful thing. And with that, guys, I hope you had an amazing Christmas and great New Year's. And stick around because there's a new edition from Yamaha that has just come out, and we're going to be covering that real soon, within the next week or two. So please stick around with that. I'll give you more notice as the times go. And with that, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.